Welcome to week 12. This week's going to be really easy. All you're doing is going back to last week and finishing your cue sound effects if you did not finish it. Or you could create another one if you would like, but you'll need to go back to week 11 to create that. And then you're going to complete a grade check, and that'll be your assignment. So you still got your grade from last week, which was the cue sound effects, and then the graded assignment for this week is to complete a grade check assessment. So you'll see that in just a moment. So we'll start with your Quaver Song of the Month. You'll click Next. That's just reviewing percussion from last week. But this is your assessment for this week. So again, make sure you've completed your cue sound effects. If you have any questions, let me know. A lot of you had some really great ideas and were being so creative, and I have really enjoyed watching those. And then I know some of you wanted to work on them a little bit more, so you have time today to do that. And then we're going to click this. There'll be a video here to remind you how to check your grades. You're going to click Start. What is your grade in music class? I'll add the numbers here. I thought I already did that, but we'll go back and do that. It says, what is your grade? A, B, C, D, or F? And then you're going to click this arrow right here to bring you to question 2. Did you check to see if you were missing any assignments? Yes or no? And then one more question. Miss Murphy wants to help you catch up if you are missing any assignments. Will you message her if you need help catching up in music class? And you answer yes or no. And then you're going to click here. Remember that orange button is Submit, and then you'll have the green OK button come up. So make sure you do that because this is your assignment. It's an easy A for this week just to complete it. So there's no wrong answers. Of course, the better answer is that you either have done your work or you're going to get on it this week. So basically, this is the catch-up week. Go ahead and complete your sound effects from last week. And then if you find out you have any missing assignments, either message me for help or go ahead and get those done. I hope you have a great week.